The minimum radius that can be built using 3 Highland stone freestanding wall units is 3 feet 9 inches. By using this radius with the 3 units, you'll eliminate the need to cut block. To use this radius as a structural element, it will need to complete a 90-degree turn. That means you'll need to make the curved wall 6 feet long. Excavate the trench for the freestanding wall. The trench is 12 inches deep and 21 inches wide. The leveling pad should be 6 inches deep. Build it in 2 lifts and thoroughly compact after each lift. You can build the base of this radius by cutting large units or using units of all 3 sizes. It's easiest to build a radius using about the same number of each size of blocks on each layer. On the next course, begin with a large unit and continue to build the wall using an equal number of each unit. Continue building the wall using the techniques established on this course. And finish by rounding any exposed split faces with a hammer and chisel. Glue the top 2 courses and the caps with concrete adhesive.